Today we are in Kikuyu, Kikambura. To be specific, we are in an area called Jambo TV. This is a gated estate of 4 units. The first 2 units have already been complete. The other 2 units will be developed on my far left. Each unit in this estate has a print area of 198 square meters, and the whole estate has been constructed on a quarter of an acre piece of land. Before we get started, this is African Real Estate and my name is Mungai Kihara. As you can see, you have this driveway that can be used by everyone in this estate, but each unit comes with a 2-car parking like this one. At the entrance of this specific unit, you have a very good and a beautiful grand entrance. What I don't understand is why we have these steps. The other unit doesn't have them. Let's get inside. Each unit comes with a double door, and I like it that it is tall and wide enough for all your furniture. From the entrance, you have the kitchen of this unit. This is the dining area, and on my far right, you have the living room. Let's start from this side. As you can see, the living room is a big space, enough space for your small family, and it comes with 2 big windows for maximum natural light. I like the colors, and I like how the tiling is slightly matching to the ceiling. The walling has been done very well, and it is complemented by the side lights and the center light. Let's see the dining area. The dining area is not the biggest, though it has been done very well, and I like it that it opens to the living room on that side. On this other side, it opens to the kitchen. I like it that it comes with a small vanity, and you have 3 standard windows that feed this space with a ton of light. On my far front, you have an extra window, and on this other side, you have the kitchen of this unit. The kitchen has been separated from the dining area by this granite countertop, and on this other side you can add 2 or 3 chairs to act as the breakfast table. I like the center light of the dining area, and this other side you can see that the kitchen is adopting a semi-open plan method. This space has been left for your 6-burner cooktop, and one thing that is motivating is the amount of cabinetry that you are getting in this kitchen. The sink area is here, and it is next to the window, and if you peep through the window, you will see that we have an extra water tank that has a capacity of 2,000 liters of water. Next to it, you have the laundry area, and this is the door to access it. This space has been reserved for your refrigerator, and I like it that you have some spaces for extra storage. At this point, we are at the center of the unit. You have the stairs that take you to the upper level, and you have an extra storage under the stairs. This is the common washroom, and it utilizes part of the space that is under the stairs. It comes with all the fixtures that you require, and on my far front, you have the guest bedroom. The guest bedroom is not the biggest, though it comes with 2 small windows. This is the closet to the guest bedroom, and its bathroom is here. The bathroom comes with a WC on this side, a wash basin on my left hand side, and on my far front you have the showering area. I'm disappointed that for 13.5 million you are not getting a shower cubicle. I hope the developer adds it. Before I take you upstairs, this unit and all its details will be in our website, africanrealestate.com. And if you're out there, you want to sell your unit, or you want to buy your second home or a piece of land, just go to africanrealestate.com and scroll through. On this level, we have the other 3 bedrooms, and on my left-hand side, you have a balcony. I still don't understand the purpose of this balcony. It would be very useful if we had a family room on this level. But surprisingly, we don't have. Let's see the primary bedroom, and later I'll show you the kids' bedrooms. The primary bedroom is the biggest, and it comes with a closet that adopts a similar concept to all the closets that we saw in the other bedrooms. One thing to note is that you are getting 2 drawers down there, spaces for the foldable clothes, and you have an extra spaces here, maybe for the shoes. 2 drawers down there, and the closet comes with a sufficient storage for all your clothes. From there, you can see that this room is getting a lot of light from these 2 big windows, and during the night, you'll have to get your light from this center light. I don't understand why we are missing some side lights in this primary bedroom. The bathroom to this bedroom is here. Just come with me. And as you can see, it comes with a wash basin, a WC, and you have this space that has been left for your bathtub. On this far end, you have an area for the shower cubicle, but these 2 fixtures have not been installed yet. From here, I'll take you to the children's bedrooms. The 2 bedrooms are not en suite, and for that reason, they share this common washroom. It is big and sufficient for the 2 bedrooms. This is the first bedroom, and it is the smallest. Just get inside. It comes with a standard sized window, and on my far front, you have its closet. Let's see the second kids' bedroom. This bedroom is slightly bigger than the one that we just saw. It comes with a slightly bigger closet, and the closet also comes with slightly bigger drawers. This bedroom is getting a ton of light from these 2 small windows. You have this one and you have another one here. The funniest thing is that this is the only bedroom that comes with a balcony. So tell me, what is important to get? A balcony or a bathroom? What would you rather take? This balcony is giving you the best views to the rear side of this estate, and as you can see, the air is fresh, the greenery is incomparable, and from here you will enjoy the best evening sunset. This is the roof deck. Other people call it the roof terrace, and some of you call it the attic level. What matters is that it is 72 square meters, and from here you can do your resting, maybe barbecue, or you can enjoy the views of this locality. On this other side, you have the storage water tanks. Right now, you have 2,000-liter water tanks, but on the first level, we have an extra 2,000 liters of water. I think that is sufficient amount for a 4-bedroom unit. That's all for this roof deck. We have come to the end of the tour, and we hope you have enjoyed. As we mentioned earlier, each of these units is going for 13.5 million Kenya shillings. If you would want to buy it, make sure you call us in the number attached in the first comments. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.